Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to invest in the S&P 500 using Fidelity. First, go to the Fidelity Investments website or open the app. Log into your account. If you do not have one, open a brokerage account or a Roth IRA and complete the setup. Now, click on the Trade button. This will open the order screen. Set the action to buy so you can purchase your investment. Next, enter the ticker symbol of the fund you want. Two common choices are FXAIX and VOO. FXAIX is a mutual fund, while VOO is an ETF. The process is slightly different for each one, so pay close attention here. If you choose FXAIX, you do not need to select an order type. Mutual funds are priced once per day after the market closes. You simply enter the dollar amount you want to invest. Your order will be executed at the next available price, known as the net asset value. If you choose VOO, you will need to select an order type. Choose market order if you want the trade to happen immediately at the current price. Then enter how much you want to invest. You can buy fractional shares, so you can start with a small amount. After that, click Preview Order. Review all the details carefully, including the symbol and the amount. If everything looks correct, click Submit to complete your investment. Thanks for watching.